Multiple choice. Strategies on how to succeed for the AP test. Number 1, don't fall for its game. A lot of questions will seem tricky to answer, but they actually aren't if you overthink it. Number 2, POE, the process of elimination. Number 3, the POOD. This stands for preferred order of difficulty, and that's just basically answering the questions in the difficulty that you think is proper. Number 4, annotate the passage. If you don't annotate the passage, you won't know what you're looking for. You won't know or remember any strategies. Number 5, read the questions before you answer them. If you have a general idea of what the questions are asking before you read the passage, you know what you're looking for. Number 6, you are not penalized for guessing, so please do so. Number 7, read all answers. Sometimes you might find that the first answer seems right, but you never know until you read the rest. Number 8, read the questions before you look at the answers. If you look at the question and you read it and you have an answer in your mind, you'll be able to pick the answer that's closest to what you had. Number 9, look for key terms. In the passage, you'll see that some may be bolded or highlighted. These are important. Number 10, read the subheadings. Many passages have subheadings, and most people tend to skip over them, but they're there for a reason. Number 11, letter of the day. Again, you're not penalized for guessing, so even if you have to choose the letter of the day, you might still get a few answers right. Number 12, time yourself. This is a time test, and you will only have a certain amount of time to complete it. Number 13, don't puke on the test. This is very important. They were not graded. I've been there.
Done that.
14, if it takes longer than a minute, just skip it. There's no point in going and wasting your time on one single question when you can answer more than one and get them correctly. Number 15, look for hints. If you don't get the answer to a question right away, just skip it and come back to it later. Most likely there will be another question in the future that will reference the past question. Number 16, do the true or false test on each answer. If you know for a fact that one answer is not correct, it's false, then you can cross it off and move to the next one. Number 17, review your answers. If you have even a little bit of time left over, you should always review your answers to make sure that you didn't make any mistakes.